In this video, we are looking at the problem on Homework 100 that reads, the distance from Baltimore to Chapel Hill, North Carolina is 520 miles. If Martin travels 60 miles per hour, how long will it take him to get to Chapel Hill? Use the formula, distance equals rate times time. Okay, I wrote it out here, distance equals rate times time, or just d equals r times t, or rt. The basic principle here is of formulas, is really what you're working with. And the idea is that in any formula, they will give you the values for all of the variables except for one. So here, the d, the r, and the t. Well, which two did they give you and which one are you looking for? Baltimore to Chapel Hill is 520 miles. 520 miles is a distance that goes on the left side. That's the d. The rate is 60 miles per hour. Think of it, a rate is something per something where there's two different units. That's miles per hour, so that's 60. And then the time we leave as t because that's what we're looking for. The question says how long will it take. So you substitute in 520 and then 60. So you have 520 equals 60t. You divide both sides by 60. These 60s cancel out, and you get t on this side. And then this, you can do it with a calculator, the best, is 8.6 or 8 2/3. So the time is 8.6 repeating, which is 8 2/3 hours. 2/3 of an hour would be 40 minutes, so this would be 8 hours, 40 minutes. That's how long it would take at driving at 60 miles per hour to get to Chapel Hill from Baltimore, which is 520 miles away. Please note that you may be asked to find d and they'll give you rt. You might be trying to find r and they'll give you d and t, or you'll be trying to find t, as in this problem, and they'll give you d and r.